St John Lloyd's, I do product design for GCSE, and Mr. Kent, our product design teacher, has shown us a different type of way of recycling. In our process, we have done melted and recycled bottle caps, and we've tried to design and make new products out of that.
We have learned how to work together and collaborate to do a project.
It's really fun to be outside and learning that rainwater is better for the plants than tap water.
It's an incredible opportunity for me to represent my school and myself, and to enlighten people about how we can change something so small into a bigger project for the future.
It would be amazing to have an experience like this, to come into Lesley House and talk about the project we've been doing.
I think it's a good opportunity to have something fun to do than rather go on electronics all day.
Yes, it's because it's really fun, but some parts can be challenging, but you will get through it.
So Lesley's moved on over the years, has changed hugely, and is now reliant really more than ever on developing ideas in the community, delivering on those ideas, whether it's for business, whether it's for community development.
A lot of the community groups, they're doing fantastic things, and just to integrate it with young people can really give people the opportunity to see what opportunities there are around.
If you're really enthusiastic about changing the world, or you want to learn a new skill, then I'd say maybe try out this project with your school. The process is amazing, it's interesting. If you're an environmentalist or want to change the world somehow, you should try this.